Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can grab a still in Davinci Resolve 18. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Davinci Resolve. So once you open, you simply need to select the frame. So I want this frame for example, then you need to come onto this color section. Once you are here, you simply need to click the right mouse cursor and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on grab still and here you can see if you move here you can see that. So then you simply need to click the right mouse cursor here and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on export and you simply need to select the destination. So and here you can see the file. So I want in PNG and click on export and now it will be exported onto my desktop. So here you can see that. Let me show you. Here you can see. So this is the process how you can grab a still in Davinci Resolve 18. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.